Alright guys, well this is going to be more of a vlog style since I need my phone for other things right now. I've already gotten this far on the build. On the front end back together. All original parts. And yeah, so I've got all the scrap of parts laying out here. Got an empty plate that used to have some pizza on it. Now it's in my belly. I'm going to start swapping over the carbon fiber parts and continue the build. And I will just include a bunch of snippets or clips of the build process during this video. So, hope you enjoy. I don't know if you can see the angle on there, but just had to sand a bit off of the carbon fiber so that it can sit in here fully, because it wasn't able to sit all the way down in there properly. So now I'll be able to seat it down for far enough. Well, got the tranny back together now. Seems to be running pretty smooth. And got the front end pretty much wrapped up, and got the carbon fiber front end on there, or the shock tower from J Concepts, and looks pretty nice. So, totally forgot I had RPMA arms to install, so I threw those on there. Alright, now I got the rear end going. Don't have the dog bones in there right now, but I'll get them in when I'm finished up. Here it is now with shocks installed. Looking pretty good. All in all, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm excited to get it all wrapped up. I'm actually going to be doing a custom servo mount. It's going to be inverted and really close to the servo saver there. I'll get rid of the E-clip and pin setup eventually. Try to follow it along. Maybe we should race. Maybe we should race. Keep you straight. Uh-oh. That's all that took to take me out. So, I didn't bring tape either. This might be the end of the night.